Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here, and in this video we'll be discussing a brand new launch by Emaar in the Valley where you are getting 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. This project was initially started in 2019, which has been a huge success, and just because the mastermind, the master developer Emaar is behind this project. And wherever you see in Dubai all of the development going around, even if we talk about downtown, even if we talk about the iconic Burj Khalifa, Marina or Dubai Hill State, Emaar has been a huge success for Dubai. Starting from the location, the valley is located on Dubai Alan Road, which we call it E66. Now this road used to be like about 3 lanes of each side, but today it has been expanded to 6-lane highway on both sides, which with a speed limit of around 140 kilometers per hour, so definitely making much smoother ride and easy connectivity. If we talk about the distance, like you are just 25 minutes away from downtown, you are just 8 kilometers from Dubai Outlet Mall, and even Dubai International Airport, you are 30 minutes away. When the valley was launched in 2019, it was just being considered as an investment opportunity. At that time, you could buy a 3-bedroom townhouse from 1.2 to 1.3 million, and at the same price, you could buy a 1-bedroom apartment in downtown or Business Bay. But naturally, investors rushed in and the prices have already jumped up just because you are getting great rental yields and the appreciation as well. Now in Valley, you are getting a 3-bedroom townhouse in secondary market, which is around 2.3 to 2.4 billion dirhams. We are talking about the initial phase. Starting from the first phase of the Valley, the first cluster which was launched was named as Eden, and it was launched back in 2019 with the total number of units of 362, where you are getting 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. And then in 2021, we have a new cluster named as Talia, with almost the same layouts of the townhouses, 3 and 4 bedroom, and total number of units were 330. Then in 2022, we have a new launch named as Nara. These first clusters are already pretty much operational, and in Nara we are having like about 372 units, almost with the same layouts, and total number of units were 372. Back in 2022, Emaar launched Farm Gardens 1, which is like a cluster of independent villas where the total number of units are 146. Here you are getting 4 and 5 bedroom independent villas. And then the new upgraded version Farm Gardens 2 is already launched in 2024, where you are getting almost 256 unit of 4 and 5 bedroom independent villas. Then we have Rivana as well. These are the basically waterfront livings. It was launched in 2023, and we have already townhouses with the waterfront living named as Nima, which is already pretty much operational, and the construction is going around if you visit the sites. And total number of units in Nima are around 328, where you are getting 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. Talking about today, Emaar has evolved the offering to match end user demand. For example, if we take Velora 3, it has been designed more for the families and actual homeowners. The layouts are pretty much functional and pretty much bigger. For a 3-bedroom townhouse, sizes are starting from around 2500 square feet, and for a 4-bedroom townhouse are starting from 2700 square feet. These sizes are pretty much functional, and if we compare with any other community, these are much bigger in size and much spacious as well. Now let's talk about the amenities in the valley, and you are pretty much familiar. It is a family oriented community where you are getting a 32,000 square meter of a town center, which is in between phase 1 and phase 2, you can say, to be exact, at the top left of the community. Then we have a 20,000 square meter of a sports village, which is at the bottom left of the community. Then we have a 10,000 square meters of a kids dale. Then the best thing about the valley is the Golden Beach, which is right in between the community, and the total size of this is 30,000 square meter. Then we have a 33,000 square meters of a pavilion. So you can say the valley is pretty much overloaded with the amenities just because you are getting a family friendly community. In terms of the pricing, the last launch phase was Velora 2, starting at 3 million dirhams for a 3-bedroom townhouse, and for a 4-bedroom townhouse it was starting from 3.3 million dirhams. With just like 10% of market adjustment, Velora 3 is expected to be launching at 3.3 million dirhams for a 3-bedroom townhouse, and for a 4-bedroom townhouse it is gonna be starting from 3.7 million dirhams. Now if we talk about the villas in the valley, which was launched with the name of Farm Gardens 2, where you are getting spacious independent villas starting from 1100 dirham per square feet with a 4 years of payment plan. For a 4-bedroom independent villa with a built-up area of 6,300 square feet to 6,600 square feet with a plot area of around 8,300 square feet to 10,000 square feet starting from 7.2 million dirhams. Then we have 5-bedroom independent villas with a built-up area of 7,900 square feet to 8,000 square feet and a plot area starting from 9,000 square feet to almost 10,000 square feet. So the prices for 5-bedroom independent villas are starting from 9.2 million dirhams. Now let's talk about these numbers are real value to money, or we are just discussing numbers on the paper. Other villa community in the surrounding areas are currently trading at 1900 to 2000 dirham per square feet. Meanwhile, the valley is pricing at around 1300 to 400 dirham per square feet. I think so, which is a pretty much big deal, and in terms of the brand value, you are getting the name of Emaar in a family-friendly community just located 25 minutes away from downtown. This is a big opportunity. And in terms of quality from the developer, whenever we are expecting a new launch from Emaar or even from Damac or Nakheel, a big brand like this, it sells out pretty much quickly. If you are interested in any of the category for 3 to 4 bedroom townhouses or villas, definitely you should consider the big names like Emaar or the Damac. Even we have a new launch by Arada as well. So you should go for a bigger name just because it is adding you a brand value. For now, just closing this video. And the best thing is, whenever a developer, such developer launches a new community, it sells out pretty quickly. So you need to submit your EOIs as quickly as possible. The expected date of launch is to be 15th of September. But you know pretty well that whenever Emaar launches, it sells out in a day. For now, just closing this video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.